direct in of the one lady owner from new. That's absolutely outstanding VAUXHALL MOKKA X. It's a 1.6 active CDTI diesel, 134 brake horsepower. The car is absolutely gorgeous, beautiful colour. Boracay blue metallic is the name of it. It is fabulous. Absolutely love the colour of it. Looks great with the black trims across the roof and across the sides of it. Four-wheel drive. October 2017 on a 67 plate. VAUXHALL service history. It is fabulous. Very popular. Great cars, easy access in and out. Just a little bit ground clearance off the ground, so it makes life easier. Just look at that colour. Isn't it beautiful? Mokka X 4x4. Great low loading area. Lovely and clean. It's got a boot protector from new. No damage inside. Lovely and clean, not been abused. Split folding rear seats. Additional storage just under there. Spare wheel, complete toolkit. Got rear parking sensors. It is just gorgeous all the way around. All the wheels undamaged. This is how the vehicle came in. We've not had these refurbished. All down the sides, no dents, no scratches, no scuffs, no little dings anywhere. And we do the videos to show you exactly how nice all our cars are. Nothing is left to chance. You can make a full informed decision while sitting in the comfort of your chair. Front parking sensors. Again, all across the lower part, no damage, no scuffs. Just a beautifully cherished example. All the door trims. Plenty of legroom in there, lots of space in there. Again, all the upholstery, all unmarked, no damage. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells in there. Electric windows, electric mirrors, folding mirrors. Again, the driver's seat, no damage, no marks. Front centre armrest. Bit of storage there. Cup holders. Again, all the trims, all in great condition. Leather multifunction steering wheel. Cruise control, speed limiter, Bluetooth connection and various stereo controls from there. Automatic lights. Just 23,164 is the miles, 23,164. Great stereo system on it. DAB radio. Nice clear layout. Bluetooth connection. All finger touch. Dual zone climate control. 6-speed manual gearbox. Just a beautiful example, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack. Factory folding mirrors. We welcome part exchange. Great finance always available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your HP, your PCP deals. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. Many customers do, so if you fancy it, reserve it. We have had many customers disappointed because they've missed out, they've thought about it too long and waited for us to sometime open in the morning, while somebody has actually reserved it the night before off our website. And don't forget our full money back guarantee. If you reserve it and the car is not as described, we give a deposit back, but at least you've got the car secured if you want it. Read about our raving fans reviews and you see why customers come back to us time and time again from all over the country. Many generations of customers come back to us. We make buying and selling cars a simple, easy, hassle-free process. We did a full video to show you the condition of our vehicles. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. Specialist Cars based in Stoke-on-Trent, a multi-award-winning dealer. Phone number again 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.